nôɪz.
Noise.
Noise.
Noise can be a noun or a verb. As a noun, noise can mean 1. Various sounds, usually unwanted or unpleasant. 2. Sound or signal generated by random fluctuations. 3. Unwanted part of a signal. 4. Unwanted fuss or bustle, useless activity. 5. The measured level of variation in gene expression among cells, regardless of source, within a supposedly identical population. 6. Rumor or complaint. 7. Music, in general, a concert, also, a company of musicians, a band. 8. A genre of rock music that uses static and other non-musical sounds, also influenced by art rock. As a verb, noise can mean 1. To make a noise, to sound. 2. To spread news of, to spread as rumor or gossip.
Where your own building shields you from road traffic noise.